Hi, it's Dorothy Harrison from Remax Hallmark. Thanks for joining me today. We are here at my newest listing. Welcome to number 74, Brandwood Square in the fantastic North Ajax Hamlet community. The location of this home is unlike any other. We are walking distance to beautiful walking trails, local parks, schools, shops, restaurants, the Audley Rec Center, and so much more. I can't wait for you to see the entire home. Let's head on inside and have a look. This beautiful tribute home offers 9-foot ceilings, gorgeous pot lighting, hardwood floors, and California shutters on the main floor. Your spacious family room is highlighted with a gas fireplace and is overlooking your large kitchen, perfect for entertaining. Your large chef's kitchen has been beautifully renovated. We have new quartz counters, backsplash, stainless steel appliances, a gas stove, and walk out to your own private backyard oasis. The oak staircase leads to the second floor, where we have 4 king-size bedrooms. We are here in your primary oasis, offering his and hers walk-in closets and a 4-piece ensuite spa-like bath. The professionally finished lower level has a separate entrance. We have a rough-in for kitchen and dining space, beautiful laminate floors, pot lighting, a huge rec space with an additional 5th bedroom and full bathroom. The 5th bedroom in the lower level is completely separate from the large rec space. It has a walk-in closet and a 4-piece bath. This premium pie-shaped lot widens to 70 feet here at the back, offering the perfect outdoor entertaining space. If you'd like to book a private showing or have any additional questions, again, it's Dorothy Harrison from Remax Hallmark. There's no place like home.